This is the like radio and HVAC, fan controls from the Porsche 996. It's like the horseshoe bit fits into this. Now, previous owner fitted a doubled-in Chinese Android head unit, really old, sort of Android 4 or something, I think. Sorry about the bad focusing. Let's try and put this somewhere. To do that, they have. Sorry, let's try and get some light on. They've cut everything away here and here. Now I want to change this to singled in and put the HVAC controls, which is these, up here, and the radio underneath, and I'm going to get rid of the other part, which is a thing that some people do, and you buy these brackets here that mount up here, these arms that you can see sticking out, with a lot of glue there, which I'm about to talk about. That's the reason for the video. So you can see that where they mount though is mostly gone, like the, come on, focus. The screw, the bit it screws through, there's barely anything left. So, and you can see that there's holes in the side because they had a doubled-in cage in there and stuff. So what I've done is sort of temporarily hot melt glued these in so that they can act as a guide. And while they were hot, I say temporarily, they're going to stay like that, but the hot melt glue isn't structural and it was just to assist me, but it may as well stay, which is why I've also gone through the holes that they made. So it's actually doing quite a good job of holding them in place, but it was really there to help me do this, which is to build a sort of a well with Kapton tape, polyamide tape, which I've then filled with a 2-part epoxy, just a 5-minute epoxy, cheap stuff. And I've done this side and I obviously with the screws in, so this one's in progress now. Screw in, try and make a well so the epoxy doesn't go everywhere. And then, afterwards I end up with something like that. Now, as you can see, I'm learning as I go, so the well that I built wasn't perfect, and I'm probably just going to need to smooth that out a little bit, but it's pretty good actually. I think this one's come out better. I'm going to pull that Kapton tape off now. Wait a sec. Better, yeah. Right, pull all that off. If it wouldn't pull off, I'd cut it, but it does pull off. Obviously the screw's in, but so far that hasn't been a problem. So let's have a look on this one. Can you see any of that? Just about. There we go, screws out. Now I will drill out these screw holes so that they're not threaded, because it doesn't really matter, but actually maybe I won't, and then I can use short screws. Screws don't have to make it all the way through to this at the back. I don't know, we'll see. I was going to drill them out so that the screw slides through the epoxy and then meets the metal thing like it's supposed to. Okay, so there we go, that's come out pretty good. Needs a tiny bit of cleaning up there, bit of sand in there or something, but that's alright. That, god damn it, focus. So yeah, I'm happy with that really. Just clean that up with a knife, or either I'll probably just cut that off with a fine craft knife. It's just a little bit really, but most of it's great. Like all this is perfectly flat like it should be. So I'm quite happy with that. Just got one more to do. Yeah, good stuff. Cheers.